Hello goal-driven individuals. Today we're delving into a topic that's the backbone of success. How planning and organizing are intricately connected to goal setting. Welcome back to Immanuel Williams, where we unravel the strategies that pave the way for your aspirations. In this episode, we'll explore the power of calendar management, the art of breaking down goals into manageable tasks and taking cues from there. I'm going to tell something from one of the best-selling books ever written by James Clear, the author of Atomic Habits, on the concept of becoming 1% better every day. Now, before we dive into the specifics, let's understand the fundamental link between planning and goal setting. Planning is the roadmap, the blueprint that transforms lofty aspirations into actionable steps. It's the bridge that connects where you are to where you want to be. Whether your goal is personal or professional, the journey becomes more manageable and achievable when guided by a well thought out plan. Now let's talk about a crucial tool in the planning arsenal: calendar management. Your calendar is more than a schedule. It's a dynamic tool for goal realization. By allocating specific time slots to your goals, you're essentially making a commitment to their achievement. Whether it's a digital calendar or a traditional planner, use it as your compass. Schedule dedicated time for tasks related to your goals. This not only ensures progress, but also helps you prioritize what truly matters. The grandeur of goals can be intimidating, but here's the secret. Break them down into small, manageable tasks. Each smaller task becomes a stepping stone, making the journey less daunting and more achievable. For example, if your goal is to write a book, break it down into chapters, then into sections, and finally into daily writing goals. This incremental approach not only maintains momentum but also provides a sense of accomplishment at each step. Now let's draw inspiration from James Clear's Atomic Habits and the concept of becoming 1% better every day. Small, consistent improvements compound over time, leading to remarkable results. Apply this principle to your goals. Identify small habits or actions that align with your objectives and focus on improving them by just 1% each day. Over time, these incremental changes become transformative. As you embark on this journey of planning and goal setting, here are some tips to ensure effectiveness. Firstly, set realistic timelines. Be mindful of your calendar and allocate time based on your priorities and energy levels. Secondly, embrace flexibility. Plans may need adjustment, and that's perfectly okay. Adaptability ensures you to stay on course despite unexpected challenges. To illustrate this, let's consider a scenario. Imagine your goal is to launch a new project at work. Begin by breaking down the project into phases. Use your calendar to allocate time for research, planning, execution. Identify daily tasks that contribute to each phase, ensuring steady progress. Apply the principle of becoming 1% better every day by refining one aspect of the project daily. It could be improving a presentation slide, enhancing communication strategies, or acquiring new skills related to the project. These are very important aspects of today's discussion. So as we wrap up today, remember that planning and organizing are not just about efficiency, they're about empowerment. They provide you with tools to shape your journey in such a way that you are guided in the right path. So go ahead, set those goals, plan meticulously, and watch as your aspirations unfold. Now, if you found these insights valuable, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, share, whatever. Share your planning tips or even your success stories in the comments below. Let's build a community of goal setters supporting each other. So until next time, plan strategically and aim high.